16 days have passed, my darling, since I left town. I bought myself a Volvo 2.5, the one that makes the good old sound. The first couple of miles, rain and tears muddied the waters. To drive with both hands on the wheel to fight the picture of you with another. 16 days since I've been gone. 16 days since I found out what was going on. First night in a hotel bar, they caught me writing on the wall. I didn't count the glasses nor the bottles. In fact, I couldn't count it all. 16 days since I closed the door. 16 days since you were all I was living for. First week I was driving on and on until I finally found some sun. I left the Volvo near the beach somewhere, both tired of being on the run. Found a little beach house with a patio close to the sea. And the landlady, she didn't ask too much, but last night she came on to me. 16 days since I've been gone. 16 days. We made love without a word, two lost souls for one night being bound. And as I gave her back the key, all she said was, what seems lost cannot always be found. So now I'm here to tell you, and I hope you understand. It was good to be a lover, baby, but we're better off as friends. 16 days it took to finally sort out. 16 days what our love was all about. I've been hiding in this quiet town just to find a little peace of mind. I've been living here quite a long time. People thought I was doing fine. I was playing them for a fool. I had to hide away from pain. Now it's time to pack my bags. I'm waiting for a train. I've seen good things going on in this quiet little town. I found some love and a few good friends. Well, it was nice to be around, but I'm no forever man. thought of it drives me insane. So that's why I pack my bags and wait for the train. Say that my moving on is like repeating rhyme, that wherever I'm going to, well, I can hide away from time. But I'm no forever man, the thought of it drives me insane. So that's why I pack my bags and wait for the train. Get it? Train. The park, I see the lovers do their thing. The sun is shining just for them. I can hear the birds sing. Purple is the sky above. It smiles, a smile so bright. She blinks an eye at the world below. I get blinded by the light, so everything's alright. It's alright. And I don't wanna cause confusion, get caught up in a fight, so it's alright. It's alright. So how come that I lay wide awake in the middle of the night? Roaming through the city, built on glitter and on gold, buying stuff, well, just because we're told. I get myself a hair shave, be a man in my new suit. I see myself reflected in the window, and I think I'm looking good, so everything's alright. It's alright. And I don't wanna cause confusion or get caught up in a fight, so it's alright. It's alright. So how come that I lie awake now? And all I see is me in a world of greed somehow. How come that I just won't make a stand? Oh, I wish I could find the power, but like all of the rest, I just can't. Alright, baby, everything is alright. Let me hear it. it's alright. I don't wanna cause confusion or get caught up in a fight, so it's alright. It's alright. So how come that I lie awake now in the middle of the night? Oh, no. Yeah, and everything is alright. Everything is alright. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Here we go. En Rick kan dit beter volgens mij. So they call me the devil, your deepest, darkest sin. Your burning desire, I can make you win. I'm the untamed, wildly lost, the key to all the tricks. And all you have to do is call my number 3 times 6. Well. Yeah, they call me the devil, your fate lies in my hands. Give me a sign and consider me your friend. More than anyone, I can make you sing. You'll be the best of all, you'll be the king. I could live this life forever, but somehow I'm losing bliss. After 100,000 souls I ask myself, is this all there is? Well. I got up with Robert Johnson, but somehow I'm losing count. All these voices begging for the best sound. But now I'm on the crossroads, and it's not because of you. It's because I wanna ask you what the hell I have to do. This burning hell of fire makes my freezing cold. I'm the devil, yeah, the devil, but somehow I'm getting old. Wow. All right, hear me now. Call me the devil, your deepest, darkest sin. Your burning desire, I can make you win. I'm the untamed, wild and lost, I'm the key to all the tricks.